Hello my dear followers, this is Matthew again, and now we'll trade on the huge deposit of $2,000 and I will show you how to make money on binary options and specifically on the IQ option trading platform. For all those who are watching my videos for the first time, I would like to mention, and for others I would like to remind, that IQ option is the binary option trading platform on which we will try to make good money. Again, now I will make a bet and then I will tell you about everything. Starting from $200, we are making the stakes for the movement of the currency pair euro-dollar, trying to forecast the movement of the currency pair graph. If we succeed in that, out of $200 we will make $372 and the clear profit will be $172. But if our guess is not successful, we will clearly lose our bet. So, in general, it's a risky way to make profit, but in order to minimize our risks and chances for the loss, we will use the same old money management system called martingale principle, which is currently widely used by traders for trading on binary options. I will tell you once again how this principle works for those who are watching my videos for the first time. Here's the martingale principle's main idea. When we lose our bet, our next bet has to be 2.5 times bigger than previous one. I mean, next time we have to buy a binary option with the value which is 2.5 times bigger than we lost before. And once we win our bet, we get back to the very first initial bet. So, in my case, if I lose these $200, my next bet should be $500. This stake management system helps me to earn money for a quite long time. For several months I have been making very good money on this binary option platform with the help of this martingale system. So now if we lose, our next bet should be 2.5 times bigger, and so on until we win at least one bet. Trading using this principle allows us to lose 3, 4 or 5 bets in a row, but once we win at least one bet, it will cover all our previous losses and we will even get profit. Now, of course I will show you how it works on the example, but in order to do this we need not to win all the time, but to lose at least once or twice. So, if I lose $200, then I would play for $500. If I win that bet, I would get nearly $900 to my account, and this amount will cover both my previous bets of $200 and $500, and I would even get some profit. Now I'll show you how it works. You see, I'm winning the third stake in a row again, as usually. I'm lucky. So, you see, from $2,000 I already have the clear profit of $516. Where else would you be able to gain $500 so easily as on binary options with IQ option platform? However, don't raise your hopes too high, because you will not win all the time. Some of your bets will not be successful and you will be losing them, and in that case martingale system, according to which I'm trading, will help you. With the help of this system, I have been making money on binary options for many months. Okay, you see, I made the bet of $200 and I'm always trying to trade according to the trend. Do you see that? There is decreasing trend. The currency pair graph is getting lower and lower all the time, so I'm trying to make stakes according to that decreasing trend. I'm doing that not to lose. And the next stake won again. The decreasing trend continues. That's why it's most likely that we will now try to catch the moment when the graph will increase a little and put stake for decreasing. Once again, I would like to remind you that according to martingale system, which I'm taking as basis for my trading, if I won, I should make the amount of the initial bet. In my case it's $200, but you can start from any stake you want. For example, if you don't have $2,000 on your deposit account like I do, but you have $100, you may start from $1 or $2, $5, $10 proportionally to the amount of your account. Of course, you will win more than half of the stakes if you analyze the graph correctly. So here the technical analysis will be enough. I have seen here the decreasing trend. I have seen that the currency pair graph is going down. And I have made many stakes and managed to guess the winning ones. So here I should have placed the decreasing bet as well. Here is the kickback movement, the graph went up sharply, but the general trend is decreasing. Consequently, I am making a decreasing stake as well. So, as you can see, it's already my 5th winning. Here is quite a lot of facets for trading. You can see them right here. There is different currency pairs, there is Brent oil, there is gold. Also there are assets which are not active right now, like Facebook, Apple or Amazon. So you may trade on any graph and you can make profit on any assets which is more comfortable for you. But of course, my recommendation is to trade on the currency pair with the highest profit rates. In this case, it's euro-dollar. You can see it has 86% payout. It's the highest currency profit rate for now. That's why I'm trading on this pair. And now I will make the next one. It will be $200 again. So I already have $3,000 in my account. I started from $2,000. As you can see, it's a real account. It's not a demo account. It is the account of Matthew Coleman. The account is verified. Here is the mark that the account is verified, so it's real money, real profit, and quite good profit, you see. Okay, let's see. I will probably lose this $200 bet. And if I lose, my next stake will be $500. Okay, let's see. $200 are lost. And the next time, let's make a bet which is 2.5 times bigger. I will put the stake of $500. And in this case, as you can see, if the stake of $500 is made, the profit will be $930. In this case, we will return the previous loss of $200 and we will cover this stake of $500 as well, and we will get additional profit. So you should better try to make stakes closer to this line, which is called purchase deadline. I recommend making it like several seconds before the end, to leave less time for the order and not to have any sudden moves of the currency pair rate, and for everything to work as we forecasted. Alright, here you can see that we have already won the stake of $500. And now we have $3,262 on our account. Just imagine, it took us only 8 minutes to make $1,262 profit. So, for successful trading, you have to remember one simple rule. When you lose, always make a bet which is 2.5 times bigger. According to that strategy, you may lose 2, 3, 4 bets in a row, but sooner or later you will win at least one stake, and this stake will cover all your previous losses and will give you a good profit as well. After you win, get back to your initial bet. Okay, all the links will be under this video. The link for the registration in IEQ option platform and for getting bonus. Just right now, you may sign up and receive the bonus up to $100 to your account just for signing up. The links to social networks where you can find me are also below this video. Trade, make a good money on binary option, and good luck!